Gotta get rid of those. Nasty. You better get out of my house, punks. All the floors are in today. Let's take a peek. So I'm gonna start tearing down some of the drywall today.
We've got all the floors on now. Well, at least temporary plywood ones, that is. So now it's time for the next project, and that is tackling the walls.
Look at that. Isn't that nice? I'm working in this room first. Kitchen looks good. Gotta see the potential here, folks. Bedroom. Bathroom. More of the bathroom for the future. Laundry room. Beautiful lighting in here, I love it.
Here is Nate removing the trim from the windows in our living room and also the drywall to finally get to the nasty old insulation inside. We are really ready to refresh this house with new insulation and walls.
I'm thinking there must be termites. Gotta get rid of those. Nasty. You better get out of my house, punks.
And like always, we found another little surprise. This time, termites. Disgusting. They were so gross. Can you imagine if we just painted the drywalls as a quick and easy fix and didn't actually get behind the walls? Yeah, that's disgusting. We would have been living with those nasty critters today.
Whew, good thing I got the protective goggles and the mask. This is awful.
This was an absolutely dirty job. If you do this for a living, then Dirty Jobs should interview you. Good thing that Nate had his goggles and mask on, because the stuff that was flying all around him was just nasty. He was really going to town on this whole house. I can't believe how fast he worked and how much of a good job that he did. Again, with no experience, just getting it done the best way he could.
Progress. This was quite a mess. I have a lot of trash bags full of drywall and insulation.
Okay, I got gotta go see what you did in here. Okay, so we got the floors done, but whoa, he ripped up everything in here.
You can see the attic.
Wow. Oh my gosh, is that the attic?
Yeah.
It's like you're rebuilding this house. So you did all of this today?
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty fast.
You see how many bags of trash out there?
Oh, that's from what that is.
Yeah. I just tore up all the drywall and then all the old insulation behind it, and then I put it all in bags.
So that's a ceiling. You took the drywall and was there insulation up there or no?
Yeah.
There was.
Oh yeah. So their floor was covered in insulation and
So when you
dust and
pulled it
dirt.
down, did it all fall on you?
Yep. Well, not on me because I pulled it down.
Did you have a mask on?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna come back and remove all the nails and all the little pieces of drywall and everything later.
So we've got our floors are done. Living room floor. And this was pretty much done yesterday, but we're waiting for some finishing touches maybe next week. Finalization. Okay, so you haven't touched the drywall in here.
No.
So here's the entrance to the attic. And then it leads all the way back into that other room?
The whole attic is above us
Okay.
for the whole house.
And so you're gonna rip out all of this drywall?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like you've already started in the bathroom too.
Yeah.
So there's just like a few, ooh, and then you could take out all this mold, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get this whole bathroom.
You'll pull down this ceiling. You've already got this down. Here's where the bathtub was hooked up. Everything's gonna be so nice in here.
Yeah.
It's like what you did in Hawaii. You took nasty and you made it amazing. So our bathroom's gonna extend out
So right where I'm at.
right there. Because we could maybe close that one and just have one here, like a door here. And then here's the kitchen. And then have another door right out here so people can get into the bathroom, not only from the bedroom, but outside of the bedroom. If you want to read more about this journey and see additional photos and more information, check out our blog, journeydowntheroad.com. You can also pick up a free small space living guide there. To see more adventures on our tiny fixer-upper journey, click on the screen to check out those videos next. If you are enjoying this content and would like to see more of our progress ahead, make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to like this video. Thanks for joining us on this journey.
So the house is pretty much gutted. I have this room left. This is the living room.